Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Happiness. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much guys for the support. I think so yeah, today is Wednesday and we are going to wash our hair. We are going salon guys. We have hair appointment, but I'm just going to wash it. Then first of all, I'm just going to remove it. I'm just going to remove this. I'm just going to remove it, this guys, and I'm just going to wash. My hair is looking so mess guys, so yeah, just going to figure out when I went there what kind of hair I just want to make. I don't know, but I'm not going to do expensive hair, make expensive hair, you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm not going anywhere in this 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks or 1 week, I don't know. So yeah, let us go. Then I'm going to figure out what I'm going to put on my head. So yeah, let's go guys.
You were fine all this time, I was inside out. Put my heart in your hands till it came back round. Didn't think that you'd fallen so deep. Didn't know that I had it in me.
So guys, I'm back. Is the same day night. Now is 7:50. So yeah, what I did when I come back, actually what I did, I just cleaned my room. As you can see, my background room is looking good now than before. So it's looking, I came back and I cleaned my room, then I eat, then I took a shower. That's it. So yeah, now I'm just going to hang out like watching movie because I'm not going anywhere. So let me show you. So guys, let me show you how I make my hair. Just simple guys, I just do it simple like this. So yeah, this is how it's look, just like one week or maybe 2 weeks, I don't know guys. So yeah, so guys, that's it. So I will see you tomorrow. What else? So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow guys. Bye. Good morning guys. It's so early. It's 7:30. It's 7:30 in the morning. So actually I have a video for you today guys.
Doesn't wanna fall in love. Oh, yeah. Doesn't wanna fall in love. Yeah. Doesn't wanna.
Guys, I want to do deep cleaning, but I'm not going to show you. So yeah, guys, check this room. I'm so tired. Check this room. It's looking so nice. I just cleaned this room yesterday. Check this room guys. What is this? What is that? Check this. What is that? I'm so mad. But anyways, my room is looking like this because actually my room is everything. I always tell you that, guys. My room is everything. Ooh, what is that? What the heck is that, guys? Oh my god. So guys, it's the same day and I clean my room. So yeah, as you can see, it's looking clean, baby. So yeah, guys,
till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then what I know now, I wouldn't have said what I said. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again. Oh.
good morning, guys. It's next day, and yesterday I was so tired when I was cleaning my room, but I have this area I forgot, so I decided today to do it and to show you guys. So yeah, so enjoy, guys, cleaning. I love cleaning. So yeah, guys, so let's cleaning, let's wiping that area, dusting, now wiping, dusting. Guys, have you wondering if I have a dishes? If yes, do you know how I wash it? If you are interested to know, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I wash it and organize it. So yeah. So guys, as you know, I have single room, so sometimes it's so hard to wash dishes, but I'm not complaining. I'm just saying because I'm so grateful because there is people out there doesn't have any place to sleep. So I'm just saying I'm not complaining. So yeah.
I'm selfish, get jealous. I feel a little helpless. My whole world has shifted again. You made a promise, I kept it. Now I'm second guessing. My whole world has shifted again. Now I drive back to an empty room, and it's setting in.
So guys, I didn't wash a lot of dish like that every single day. No, I just wash all my dishes today because I decided to do deep cleaning, and I put my dishes and I decided to wash all of that dishes. So that's why it's a lot of dishes. So guys, after finishing washing there, I'm going to show you how I remove soap foam on my dishes. So guys, I put my dishes over there, then I just wash like that. So yeah, it's pretty hard, but at the same time easy, you know. So that is how I do it. After washing there, I'm going to show you how I organize it.
And I know that I'll be here till I let go. And I try, but it's useless every time. Now I drive back to an empty home, and it's setting in. Now that your things are gone, what have I done?
So guys, I'm going to leave that dishes there like 30 minutes maybe to let it dry while I'm looking for some paper to put on my area. I put that dishes. I'm going to put that dishes. So yeah, just watch. So guys, you are wondering, all of that dishes, they are going to fit there? The answer is yes. Let me show you how I organize it.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between
6.5 hours later.
right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
So guys, they fit it. See, all that dishes is there.
The next day.
Go out of my mind.
So guys, it's the next day evening. Actually, I was just chilling. So in the evening, I started cleaning my room, folding my clothes, ironing my bed sheet. That's it. So yeah, I think guys you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed, give this video a like, comment anything down below, and thanks so much for thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
You turn it on.